Janet Rossant is passionate, she's intelligent, she's motivated,
wise,
visionary,
generous,
elegant, profound,
making a huge contribution.
10 years ago, Janet Rossant stepped into the role of president and scientific director of the Gairdner Foundation. She brought with her more than a world-renowned reputation in developmental biology. She brought imagination and a conviction that science can and will shape a better future for us all. But Janet's Gairdner story began long before that.
Probably the most wild and spontaneous thing I ever did was in 1977 to pack up my bags in the UK and leave the UK to marry a Canadian, my husband Alec, who's over there, not many developmental biologists in Canada, and nobody interested in that fascinating mouse blastocyst you just heard about.
I met Janet in 2015 when we began talking about the use of genome editing in embryos. She's been an amazing mentor for me. She's helped me understand the ethical challenges of working with embryos, and especially with changing the DNA in embryos that has been so foundational to the work that we've been doing at our institute to think about the future of CRISPR.
In 2015, the Canada Gairdner Whiteman Award honored not only her brilliance and determination in developmental biology, but her global leadership in stem cell research and in advancing research that improves the lives of children. Her decade at the helm of the Gairdner has been one of connection, linking science to the public and Canada to the world. She built a strong and collaborative team who together expanded Gairdner's reach and impact. Janet has championed diversity in nominations and achieved gender parity on adjudication committees.
Working with Janet has been a privilege and a joy. She has a rare gift of bringing together scientific excellence with empathy and inclusivity.
I was always impressed in the jury by her push towards diversity. She wants to find good candidates. She wants to find women. She wants to find people from low and middle income countries who spent their career in their own countries. And that push for diversity has really made a difference, and you'll see in the recent Gairdner nominees.
Janet has always looked ahead, anticipating what science and the scientists who shape it will need to thrive in the years to come. And in 2023, she introduced the Peter Gilgan Canada Gairdner Momentum Award, a lasting investment in the leaders of tomorrow.
Giving a large award at that point in someone's career really has an opportunity to impact what happens next for them. So I think Janet should be really proud of establishing the Gairdner Momentum Award.
Janet has secured transformative new resources for Gairdner, from provincial and federal governments, and through the successful launch of a $25 million campaign to nurture the next generation of scientific leaders.
Janet has done a remarkable job at the Gairdner Foundation. But very importantly, she's also increased the visibility and impact of the Gairdner Foundation through its activities in science education at the high school, college, and post-college levels.
Janet manifests reason and sound judgment. She is thorough, she's meticulous and fair, and she can soldier through even the toughest challenges.
One of the biggest rewards for me for receiving the Gairdner Award was just getting to know Janet. Not only is she a great scientist, but I learned a lot from her about leadership by just witnessing the way that she led the Gairdner Foundation and also organized its competitions.
Whether it's on stage at the Gairdner Awards Gala or in quiet conversation, Janet's leadership has always been guided by her unwavering belief that excellent science makes the world better.
Janet, your leadership has profoundly altered the rising strategy of the foundation, and you will have a lasting impact on the people, the stakeholders, the programs, the students, and so much more. I've had the great privilege to work with you in different capacities, and I've tremendously enjoyed your camaraderie, your fellowship, and your infectious enthusiasm. You're a core reason for why I've participated in so many Gairdner programs and visits and talks, and this is why I'll continue to do so.
I'm so proud of you, so inspired by your research, and I look forward to what you will do in the future.
Congratulations, Janet. I wish you all the best on whatever comes next for you in your journey. I want to thank you for the inspiration and mentorship that you've provided me and so many others.
You've elevated the status of the Gairdner Awards, but you've also increased the impact of the foundation through the brilliant work that it does in inspiring and supporting the next generation of scientists. And you should be very proud of what you've done.
Janet, you should take tremendous pride from what you have done over the past 10 years.
Janet embodies what a leader should be, and I am sure that she will continue to be a role model for us all. I wish you all the best, Janet.
I wish you every success and everything of the very best in this next very exciting chapter of your life.
Janet, on behalf of myself and the whole of the Board of Directors, I express our deepest gratitude to you. Thank you for your commitment to this foundation, for guiding it with wisdom, with generosity, and with a clarity of purpose that has touched every part of the Gairdner mission, for the fun you have in doing the job you do, and for the legacy you leave the Gairdner Foundation.